Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am making this headband wig by hand. Subscribe to my channel for more hair tutorials, and if you find this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and share widely. Let's get to it. Here are the items that I used to make the headband wig. Tape measure, scissors, thread and needle. This is a curved needle. Wig combs to attach to the wig. Chalk and pins to mark onto the wig, and the hair. The hair is called GB Story by Fashion Idol. I got it from my local beauty store. The wig cap looks like this. I got it from Dubois Rd and it cost about 300 shillings. It came separately from the headband, and the headband had the Velcro already attached to it. So the first step was to attach the headband to the wig cap. You can also choose to attach the headband at the end after sewing the hair onto the wig cap. Because I'm sewing by hand, I decided to stitch the two in a way that the stitches are not visible on top of the wig cap. So I pulled a little bit of the lower part of the headband and stitched it to the wig cap. Notice how I do not stitch onto the seam of the headband, so that the stitches go under and the headband will go over the cap just a little bit, and this will cover the hair weft. This step took me about 10 minutes, and there is another way to attach the wig cap to the headband, but I chose this way because it just made sense to me. So I will let you watch which is easier to understand compared to how I explain. Here's a mistake I made while sewing. The wig cap is divided into two, the back lower part and the top part which looks like a net. The two parts are joined by this piece of material that looks like elastic. So I was not supposed to sew all the way to the elastic part, but rather I was supposed to sew only the back part. Then I was supposed to sew an individual weft of hair onto the elastic looking part so that it covers the wefts on the back part. Pay more attention to how the wig cap looks, because in a way it has a guide on how you're supposed to sew the hair onto it. I tried my best to rectify my mistake, and also I left little spaces at the front compared to the back. The back part I was leaving 1 inch in between the wefts, but at the front I left 0.5 inches, half an inch, so that the spaces in between the hair wefts will not be visible at the top of the wig. This is what I meant by the stitches going under and the headband going over the cap just a little bit. By going over the cap, it covers the weft of hair and it also hides the stitches. I used 1 packet of hair and a little bit of the second packet. I love how it looks. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share widely, and see you on the next one.